All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol RKT, Rocket Companies Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and I hope it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts, and thank you for your feedback. I hope to continue to relay the helpful and informative information as I have been doing, and I expect to give you guys nothing less than that. So let's jump into this chart. So the first thing I want to point out is resistance level was broken through, turned into a support. You can clearly see it there. And from that moment forward, this just skyrocketed in an upward direction. That's the one thing I love about chart analysis. Very clear. Everything's there. It shows you the potential that it has, and it shows you that once resistance levels are broken, not necessarily every time when a resistance level is broken, it's just going to skyrocket like that. But once resistance levels are broken, most stocks have a run. So this is going to be very, very narrow when it comes to the resistance being very close to the closing price. And then our support level is going to be very broad, even to the point that it's below the 50-day moving average. This is going to be very important tomorrow to pay close attention to this stock because this closed out at 31.92 and our resistance level is 31.98. That's the highest point. It got rejected right at that point towards the end of the day, and it closed out at 31.92. 31.98 needs to be broken through so that this stock can start to hit newer highs. And I believe if we go back, 31.98 is pretty close to the highest points of this stock being reached, $32.02. That's the highest point this stock reached. It's recovered from this bearish trend and brought itself up, leveled off, and it's recovered its way back up. So by breaking through 31.98, it could possibly be on its way by turning it into a support, hitting newer highs and newer resistance levels. Now the support level is actually slightly below the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is 29.03. It's not letting me land right on it, spot on, but it's 29.03. So as long as this stays above 29.03, this will continue to work its way up to newer highs and in bullish territory. The moment it crosses 29.03, then that means it's on its way down to bearish territory and on its way to break through the support, which is the one drop of bear that we have here when this leveled off and the bears try to prohibit this from continuing this bullish rally. So that is something to keep in mind. It's the lowest point before the run, and it's the one point where it tried to level this off and stop it from continuing the run. And that is a support level of 28.81. So if 28.81 is broken through, the 50-day moving average of 29.03 got broken through, and 28.81 is on its way down to newer lows back into bearish territory. So 28.81 being broken through. Again, breaks through the 50-day moving average, breaks through the support, and brings it down to bearish territory. I know it's pretty broad because the bullish run happened fairly quickly between the last couple hours of the day, and then the highest point is slightly below the closing price. So this is going to be a very interesting one. If it continues to hit newer highs, it needs to break through the resistance of the highest point of the day, which was 31.98, turning into support to break through new resistance levels. If it starts to work its way down low, as long as it stays above 29.03, this is still in bullish territory. The moment it crosses through it, it could be on its way closer to 28.81. And if the support of 28.81 does get broken through, this is now in bearish territory and we'll start to see newer lows and newer support levels. As always, I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Share this with your friends and community. If you feel inclined to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post and you guys can be up to date on these chart analysis. And don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.